I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're going to begin right now. Open the meeting app on your phone and join or start the session. Once done, make sure your phone and the receiving device are on the same Wi-Fi network for best latency, or enable a hotspot if needed. You should also check app permissions, allow screen recording or casting when prompted. Now tap the Meetings More / Options button to reveal sharing choices. This gets you out of setup and into the actual share flow without extra steps. Next, choose how to send your screen. Use the app's share screen option or use Systemcast/AirPlay for a local display. If you pick Cast/AirPlay, select the receiving device from the list and confirm. If you pick Start Broadcast or Share Screen inside a meeting app, accept the screen recording permission and toggle Share Audio if you need system sound. Make sure to close sensitive apps or notifications first. Once the feed begins, you'll see a persistent indicator that confirms the share is active. To finish, use the Meeting app Stop Share button or the System Control Center or Quick Settings to end broadcast. Confirm the share has ended. If viewers report no audio, make sure the app's audio sharing toggle was enabled. Restarting the app often fixes permission glitches. If the stream is laggy, switch to a 5 GHz Wi-Fi band or lower video resolution and move closer to the router. One key tip: toggle airplane mode for 5 seconds, then reconnect if the network is stuck.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.